popping? What the fuck was that? That was loud. I think it is. I think it's shooting shit. Oh my god, he's got flames, bro. Nah, this is crazy. Hold up. Oh shit. Oh. Nah, that's wild. I don't want to get too close. I might die. Nah, dude, that's fucking insane. It honestly kind of scares me every time he does it. I didn't plan to go this way. Oh shit. That's insane. Oh, he's gonna do... Oh! My ears! Yo! That's dope. This is why I want to build a car. I don't know. I just want to... I don't know. I want to build one or have one. Either or both. That's insane. I want to get up next to him, but technically you're not supposed to. That is nice, bro. Yeah. I turned the camera back on for a sec because he might be passing us. Oh, he's gonna be at a red light, maybe. Oh, there he is. Yo, that's dope.
Thank you.
How much horsepower you make?
300 real horsepower.
That's dope. Can you drift it?
Yeah, I can.
Nice.
Thank you.
What is this car?
That's a Scion FRS.
A Scion SRS?
FRS.
FRS. That's dope, bro. Super clean.